Durban Biryani, South African wedding feast. Today, we're making a legendary and authentic South African Durban-Style biryani.
Place the pot over medium heat and pour in 60 milliliters of oil. Add cinnamon, cardamom, and star anise, then let the spices gently sizzle and release. Add 2 finely sliced onions to the fragrant spiced oil and fry until they turn deep golden brown. Remove half and keep them aside for the final garnish. With the reserved onions set aside for garnish, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to the pot. Stir well and cook briefly until the mixture becomes rich, smooth, and fragrant.
Add 1 kilogram of bone-in lamb into the aromatic onion and spice base. Stir well and cook until the meat is lightly seared and coated with all the flavors.
Season the lamb with 3 tables of Durban masala, 1 tables of turmeric, and 1 tables of cumin. Stir well until every piece is fully coated with the rich spices. Pour in 150 milliliters of thick yogurt, then add fresh mint and coriander. Stir gently until the spices and yogurt create a rich and flavorful gravy. Place 4 large halved potatoes into the rich lamb gravy. Cover the pot and let it slow cook until the meat becomes tender and the potatoes absorb all the flavorful spices.
Once the lamb and potatoes are tender, prepare the rice. Add 500 grams of basmati rice into saffron-infused water and cook until parboiled, keeping the grains firm for layering.
Open the pot and evenly layer 100 grams of boiled brown lentils over the tender lamb and potatoes. Create a balanced base before adding the rice.
Gently layer the fluffy saffron basmati rice over the lentils until fully covered. Finish by sprinkling the reserved golden fried onions across the top for extra flavor and texture. Drizzle warm saffron milk across the rice. Then pour over melted ghee for rich flavor and aroma. Seal the pot tightly and prepare it for the final steam cooking stage.
Place the sealed pot over low heat. Allow the biryani to steam gently for 20 minutes. Let every layer absorb the rich aromas and come together perfectly.
Turn off the heat and carefully open the pot. Reveal the beautifully steamed Durban-style biryani, then gently fluff from the sides to keep every layer light and perfect. Carefully serve the hot Durban-style biryani onto a platter and enjoy every flavorful layer. Pair it with traditional dal and cooling raita for the perfect South African celebration meal.
Now that our festive biryani is ready, let's prepare the iconic South African sweet sojee. Add 125 grams of butter and allow it to melt gently.
Into the melted butter, add cinnamon sticks and cardamom and let the spices release their aroma. Pour in 1 cup of semolina and roast gently until pale golden and fragrant. Slowly pour in warm saffron-infused milk with cardamom powder while stirring continuously. Allow the mixture to become smooth, creamy, and beautifully fragrant. Into the creamy saffron and semolina mixture, add 200 grams of condensed milk and 100 grams of sugar. Stir gently over low heat until the sojee becomes thick. Once the sojee is thick and creamy, fold in fresh cream for extra richness. Finish with flaked almonds and sweet sultanas for a warm and festive touch. Serve the steaming Durban-style biryani with cooling raita and pair it with warm, rich sojee for the perfect South African celebration feast.